Hi guys, welcome to FootStock Trading. So this is the first video of hopefully many where I go into kind of FootStock, what it is and what I do on it to make money. I'll also cover if I lose money. I'm not going to act like I always make profit, there is losses, but it's just something where I'm going to go into the different sides of things that I do on FootStock. If you don't know what FootStock is, it's a unique football gaming platform basically, where you can actually earn real money, which is nice. It kind of, I suppose, the way they summarise it, I think it was something like they blend fantasy football with kind of a football player stock market, along with different form of games along the way, like a stat roulette. But yeah, it's something that I really enjoy, and I think if you're obviously here watching it, you either really enjoy it as well, or you're interested in getting involved in it. So what I've kind of done so far is I started FootStock when it first was coming out through kind of their investment platforms, where they almost done like a crowdfunding thing where you'd invest X amount and you'd got players rather than a cash value. So I invested some money into players, and since then I've been selling them players, buying players, trading up in order to build my portfolio. I've got quite a healthy portfolio now, and my return on investment's pretty good. As you can see here, I've got a range of different players, kind of going from kind of top end prices all the way down to kind of some of the lower end prices. I've got some inactive players where I need to do some swaps on them, which I'll do in a certain video. I've got players that I'm happy to kind of do roulette with, and I'm looking to kind of hit some of the rewards bits up, because I've only done bits and bobs because I keep selling my kind of portfolio rather than growing it. So I don't know really where I'm going with it at the moment, but you will obviously kind of work together and go through that. My plan for these videos is to kind of discuss flipping, different trade / investment methods that I've done, go through tournaments, speak to people about what they've been doing, see if I can get you guys kind of popping me across kind of your thoughts on your tournament methods, and then we'll do some roulette and some swaps, of course, just for a little bit of fun and risk. Obviously, there's the whole side of things with the packs on here and whether people actually do them. That's actually quite an interesting pack. 20 cards with 10 of them being for the new season. That's interesting. However, I've got my only concern there is that it won't be Moise Kean, and that's the one I want. I want Moise Kean, I want Mason Mount. I've not bought them yet because their prices have been all over the place. Like Mason Mount, £19.30, £7 there. I'll buy them for £7.01 and see if someone sells them. If someone's watching, they've got a Mason Mount, do me a solid, sell me Mason Mount. Love the guy, think he's quality, and if not, you can sell me a Moise Kean, which I'll buy at £13.03. Sorry, whoever £13.02 is, but I want him. Yeah, so I'll go through all the different things I've been doing in order to get to where I want to be on kind of FootStock. Basically, the dream is that you can kind of solely rely off the profit you're earning, and kind of do it full time as such. It's something where at the moment I do it for kind of a bit of fun. It's enjoyable. It's just a laugh if I can earn more out of it. I've had days where I've earned well over £100 just off flipping, but I've also had days where I'm pulling in like £5. So it does vary, but there's so much you can do with it, and I do really enjoy the platform. I think it's a really good investment, just for fun. Even if you don't invest your own money, when you join, you get a free cash bonus plus 3 players, and they're 3 random players. You could walk in and get that Moise Kean that I'm after. You could load up and yeah, you can get so many different things. So I really would advise giving it a go, and I'll put a link down in the description if you do want to join, and go from there. Obviously, this is just a video to say hi, welcome to FootStock Trading, and let's see what we can do. If you've got any ideas for the channel and anything you'd like to see, obviously at the moment the community is quite small. If you go on Twitter, there's a huge kind of community. There is actually a chat as well, and we can really build up the community and go from there. But at the moment, kind of YouTube side of things and people talking about it is quite limited, and I do want to kind of broaden the horizons on that. So if we can kind of communicate, if anything you want to see, comment down below. Make sure obviously you subscribe, and you can always get in contact with me either through the video, or you can contact me on Twitter. I'll put a link to my bio in the description as well. And yeah, we can kind of see what we can make happen. But any successes you have, let me know. I love hearing about what people are doing on here. If you're making money, if you're trying to build your portfolio, there's people who are earning money but not cashing out. They're just building the portfolio more and more, and you're seeing people sitting there who've got like 30 Kevin De Bruynes because they know that Kevin De Bruyne's a quality player, and this season he will thrive, and that's just my investments. So I really enjoy kind of different people's ideas. So that's all it kind of is today, just introducing myself and kind of what I'm looking to do here. But mainly, I just want to have everyone enjoy themselves and get involved. So yeah, if you like the idea, obviously subscribe and like the video. Comment down below what you think and kind of what you'd like to see. And we'll catch up soon with the next video. The first one I'm going to do is probably on flipping. I'll probably go through my basic methods of kind of a starter account and see if I can go from something. I'll do something like £1.50 upwards, and I'll go from there. So yeah, it's been good having a chat for the first video, and I'll see you all soon. Cheers.